Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're exploring some great tools you can get for under $100. Whether you're a beginner or upgrading your kit, these picks offer solid performance without the high price tag. Let's jump in. RawlDISPENSER. Priced at $100, the RawlDISPENSER is a cordless dispenser designed for use with the MAXX-2 chemical anchor. It delivers a powerful 8 kilonewton squeezing force, providing professionals with a comfortable, efficient, and high-quality dispensing experience. Ideal for those who value speed and ease of use without compromising on performance. Its ergonomic design ensures reduced fatigue during prolonged use, while the cordless operation enhances mobility on the job site. MAXX-Force 2.0. The Nail Extractor 2.0 NG is a robust and efficient tool crafted from high-quality steel and aluminum. Powered by a compact yet powerful electric motor and an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers reliable performance for demanding tasks. This extractor is specifically designed to remove nails protruding as little as 3/32 of an inch above the surface, making it ideal for decking and similar applications. KERDI-LINE-A Adaptor. Priced at $45.96, the KERDI-LINE-A Adaptor Kit allows you to convert traditional clamping ring drains to KERDI-LINE linear drains. Ideal for use in concrete slabs where removing the existing drain isn't feasible. It features a stainless steel adapter ring compatible with most clamping ring drains and includes a rubber gasket and KERDI-Fix sealant for a secure, watertight connection. Installation is quick and requires no demolition, making it perfect for retrofit projects. SlimFort Facade Insulation. Priced at $71.48, SlimFort is a patented facade insulation system with built-in brackets that replace wooden battens, eliminating thermal bridges. It enables quick, one-person installation of insulation and reinforcement, ideal for projects needing aesthetic cladding. Its streamlined design ensures both energy efficiency and a sleek exterior finish. SlimFort is perfect for new builds and retrofits alike. Schöck Tronsole. Priced at $100, Schöck Tronsole Type F provides a sound insulating connection between prefabricated staircases and landings by completely separating them to minimize sound bridges. Integrated adhesive tapes ensure secure placement during installation, while clip hinges make handling easier and protect the unit when positioning stairs. MAXX-Force. Priced at $5.52, the MAXX-Force offset ice chipper is built to cut through ice with ease. Its 4-inch wide flex blade conforms to curved glass for full scraping coverage, while the 11-inch length and TPR textured rubber grip offer comfort and maximum control. Patented for its innovative design, it channels force into 3 key points, maximizing ice-breaking power without losing contact with the windshield. 3-in-1 Garden Tool. Priced at $51.08, the 3-in-1 garden tool from the SV20 series is a cordless, professional-grade solution designed for efficient and comfortable garden maintenance. Built with a durable yet lightweight composite body, it offers superior control and ease of use thanks to its ergonomic design and convenient lock-in function. Modular Tool Belt Panel. Priced at $34.99 USD, the Lowboy Modular Tool Belt Panel positions your tools just below the waist for natural, easy access, eliminating the discomfort of high-riding holsters. It clips directly onto your belt and lets you attach multiple holsters in one spot, maximizing space and efficiency. Built for durability and comfort, it helps you work faster and stay organized on any job. Slater's Ripper. Priced at $29.65, the Slater's Ripper is built for removing and repairing broken roof slates with ease and precision. Its beveled hook edges slide smoothly under nail heads, while the hardened, spring-tempered steel ensures strength and durability. Designed with an ergonomic handle for comfortable use, it's a reliable tool for both professional roofers and serious DIYers. Malco SG-A Siding Gauge. Priced at $92.37, the Malco adjustable siding gauge allows fast, one-person installation of most lap siding, including fiber cement and LP smart siding. Its adjustable clamp fits 5/16 to 5/8" materials, with a reveal range of 4 to 8 inches. 2 included gauges support full 16 feet siding lengths for precise, efficient work. Built for pros, it streamlines installation and ensures consistent results. Universal Punch-Up. Priced at $7.95, the Almagor Mini Puncher is a compact, lightweight tool perfect for drip irrigation and sprinkler systems. It creates accurate 3.5mm holes in irrigation tubing, making it ideal for installation, repair, and maintenance tasks. Despite its small size, it offers big value for garden, lawn, greenhouse, or DIY projects. Skil Fire Tucson 600 Combisaw. Priced at $40, the Skil 4600 Combisaw combines a reciprocating saw and jigsaw in one compact, lightweight tool for versatile home cutting. Its click and slide handle lets you easily switch modes, and the blade holder accepts both jigsaw and reciprocating blades. A lock-on button and 2-finger trigger enhance comfort and control. Perfect for everything from rough cuts to detailed scrolling. Popeeze PRO Popcorn Ceiling Scraper Tool. Priced at $89.74, the Popeeze PRO is a powerful, patented tool designed to make popcorn ceiling removal safer, cleaner, and faster. It features a durable metal blade and connects to your shop vacuum in an extension pole, allowing you to scrape and collect debris simultaneously. 3-piece indexing pry bar set. Priced at $80.99, this 3-piece indexing pry bar set includes 10, 12, and 15-inch bars, giving you the right size for any task, from tight spots to larger applications. Featuring an indexable head that locks at multiple angles, these bars offer precise access and maximum leverage in hard-to-reach areas. Meite Manual Carton Closing Stapler. Priced at $72.99, the Meite Manual Carton Closing Stapler is a durable, die-cast aluminum tool designed for efficient, air-free carton sealing. It features a depth adjustment bolt for precise stapling, a large 100 staple magazine, and a hardened steel muzzle for extended service life. Compatible with 16-gauge carton staples, it's ideal for packaging tasks in environments without an air pressure source. AF3 Angle Finder. Priced at $59.95, the AF3 Angle Finder is a durable stainless steel tool for accurately measuring inside and outside angles. It features a 3.25-inch base leg, a 4-inch rotating leg, and a locking knob for easy angle transfer. Ideal for carpentry, framing, and metalwork, it's built for precision, reliability, and ease of use on the job. Compact and portable, it fits easily into any toolbox or tool belt. Needles Type Stud Finder. Priced at $22.99, this Needles Type Stud Finder offers precise wall detection with an easy-to-read staircase scale and a memory ring for quick visibility of wall material thickness. The fluorine-coated needle allows smooth insertion and removal, while a stabilizing tip plate prevents bending during use. Compact and user-friendly, it's great for both pros and DIYers. Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper. Priced at $47.28, the Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper connects directly to wet-dry vacuums, capturing paint chips and debris for a cleaner, safer workspace. Compatible with shop and commercial vacs, it features a scrape-safe design to protect your knuckles and a durable 2.5-inch carbide blade for long-lasting use. A pull knob enables aggressive scraping, while a built-in hammerhead lets you reset nails with ease. Mortar Router Dust Guard. Priced at $58.75, the Mortar Router Dust Guard is a steel guard and dust control set designed for safe, precise, and 100% dust-free routing. It features a precision depth setting and cutting guide, making it ideal for clean, accurate work. Chromium-plated for added durability, it fits all popular angle grinders and includes 4 adapters, an Allen key, and the routing guard. Concrete Vibrator. Priced at $82.74, this 1,300-watt concrete vibrator operates at 230 volts and 50 hertz, delivering powerful performance for foundation work, beams, columns, and densely ribbed Tariva systems. Equipped with a 3-meter hose and mace head, it's ideal for compacting concrete in tall forms on construction sites. Its high power ensures durability and excellent results in both monolithic pours and prefabrication tasks. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and reviews. Until next time, stay sharp and keep building.